Your purchase includes this hard case, a cloth holder for your glasses, which is this right here, and USB cable, which is used for charging your glasses from your PC and transferring files to your PC from your glasses storage. They come in a trendy design. People shouldn't suspect anything out of the ordinary when you wear them. They have HD capacity, recording at 720 HD quality. They are capable of recording for long periods of time and hold a charge rather well. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge them, although the manual recommends something like 8 hours for the first charge. Here are some tips. Before recording any spy footage or taking any pictures, you need to enter into standby mode. How you enter into standby mode is by holding this button here down for about 2 seconds. After releasing it, a blue LED light will come on and flash once, indicating that you are in standby mode. Now, in order to take pictures, you just short press this button. The blue LED light will flash once in order to indicate a picture has been taken. If you want to start recording videos, what you do is you press and hold this button for about 2 seconds. Upon release, you will notice that the blue LED light flashes 3 times, indicating that recording has begun. If you want to stop recording, you just short press the button. Then you will get 3 red flashes which indicate your recording has ceased. The micro SD card fits here in the side of the arm. It's hardly even noticeable. You can pull it out with your finger using your fingernail and slide it back in. And once you open the glasses, you can't even see it. Another thing is the camera placement. It's located on the upper right hand corner of the glasses.